everyone, and welcome back to another video. We're off camping today. 2 nights actually we're going to a place called Yellowtail camping in the Cotswolds. It's been organised by the Overland Bound crew, which I'm part of. So heading off down there to meet everyone. It's supposed to be a nice little cook-up from what I can gather. I'm looking forward to that. Got about a 2.5 hour drive to get there though, so let's hit the road. What I've got here, and it's absolutely freezing, so I'm going to go and set my diesel heater up actually for the evening and wait for everybody else to turn up. So I'm going to go and get that done now. Right, I haven't really done any filming because I've been socialising with people, just, you know, saying hi, having a chat, how you do, you know, time's just gone on, but I'm getting a bit hungry now, so I've decided to come over to the van and make something to eat. But it's really cold. So I'm going to cook on my, I'm going to use my Trangia. I went to use my oil and it's solidified because it's that cold. I think it's like minus temperatures now. But I'm going to try and get a steak cooked and some asparagus and some mushrooms. I'm going to do it outside on my little table. There we go. Give that a chance to bloom. Right, back in the van for the night. I've sat around the campfire for a while, chit-chatted for hours. It's freezing cold out there, so it's nice to get in here. I got the diesel heater on, made myself a cup of tea. Gonna get a hot water bottle on, put that in the bed, get the bed nice and warm, and then I'm off for sleep. So, good night. Morning everyone. Here's a bit of a cold start today. I've just been out and got a little bit of footage, and yeah, I couldn't wait to get back in the van. I cranked up the diesel heater a little bit, trying to get warm, and I'm going to make myself a cup of coffee. Decided to make myself a spot of lunch. I was going to say brunch, but it's now 12:15, so yeah, lunch now. I've had my shower over there. I've got some shower and toilet facilities. Actually, I'll show you those if you want. I'll take a little trip over there and give you a little tour of the site if you want to have a look at that. But I've just put some lunch on, like I say, because I'm a bit peckish. A few eggs, 2 sausages and two pieces of bacon, and I got myself a nice cup of tea. I've made it before and I've put it in this cup because this cup keeps it really hot for ages. You have to forgive the mess, it's a bit chaotic in here. The realities of being in a small space. you do your best to try and keep it tidy. Anybody who's got a van, you'll know exactly what I mean. Within 10 minutes, it's chaos. But I haven't got a building here either, have I? So I've got nowhere to put anything at the moment. So I've put this table up and everything's just on that now. Dumped everything on the table. There we go. Time to eat. I've got my hat on because I've turned my diesel heater off. Turned it off hours ago. And it's, yeah, it's not exactly warm. I've only got that little 50 amp hour battery, so I don't know exactly how much power I've got in it, and I don't really want to run out of power for tonight because I want to have my diesel heater on tonight when it's really cold. It's probably going to be minus temperatures tonight. It's time to show you around the campsite, so let's go and have a little look. So this is all the pitches. You've got all of this space. So you've got all the way over there to the left. And you go all the way around there. That's currently me. That's where we had a little campfire last night. Right, I'll take you up there next. Apparently there's some cooking going on up there. Let's go and have a little look. And there's water as well. You can see the water taps. So you've got some fresh water if you need it. Some hard standing. Some washing up facilities here, which I'll be doing in a bit. And then we've got showers and toilets there. We're going to head up there now. Apparently this is where all the magic's happening. Looks like some food prep's going on. Yeah. So what's happening here then? Seasoning some sweet potatoes. Oh, lovely.
Dolphin was.
And what's Lee prepping over here?
Honey roasted carrots with beef fat.
Oh.
And the lamb's already in. You missed all that.
And that's the smoker, is it?
Yeah, so the lamb's already all in.
Oh, nice.
I read the recipe, looks like. In the pan, all the ingredients in, see what
The
happens.
beef fat going on.
Yeah,
Looks like cheese, doesn't it?
It does, yeah.
Apparently this is the museum shed. Got loads of old farming equipment out here, look. And some old tractors. And apparently a bar. This is Rusty's Tavern. But I don't see any alcohol. And the fridge is empty. Where's your alcohol gone? So it's dinner time now. Looks like we've got a caprese salad and pittas. Is that mozzarella? Is that mozzarella?
Yeah. And some pomegranates.
The caprese salad was lovely. Now on to the main course. Yeah. What we got there then, Lee?
Well, we have got a leg of that.
And how long's that been in there for?
5 hours.
Been in the smoker for 5 hours.
Yep.
Oh, looks lovely, that does.
It's just going to fall apart, this.
Yeah. Makes it easy though. It looks delicious.
As it should be.
So what we got here then?
Sweet potato.
Oh, very delicious as well.
Carrots. Potatoes.
Oh, my favourite they are.
And then peas.
Minted peas. Forming a queue.
Somebody on social media needs to be bored by this.
There we go. Thank you. Well, that was absolutely delicious. Now it's time for the pudding. So what we got then? We got some pudding as well.
Yeah, bread and butter pudding. And there's some that stuff there.
I'll have a bit of that then, please.
Alright,
What's that there?
that's roulade.
Oh, I'll have to come back for that then.
Yeah.
We've got some custard as well, have we? Brilliant. Oh, thank you.
That now?
I'll have a little bit more, please. Thank you very much.
Oh, I'd make it in a restaurant there.
You would, you would. You're doing great, don't worry. while letting the food go down, we all socialised around the campfire for a while, and then everybody started to slowly retire off to bed, leaving me. Well, that was a lovely evening. Everyone's gone to bed now. It's -1. It's pretty cold. Food was absolutely delicious. It was beautiful. Every bit of it was absolutely gorgeous. Company was brilliant. Sat here chatting, just chilling out, relaxing. And like I say, I'm the last one now. I'm on my own. So I put another log on the fire. Sitting here, I'm all wrapped up. I'm going to enjoy this, chill out for a little bit, and then I'm going to head off to bed. So I think that's pretty much me done now. I think that's a good place to wrap up the video. So I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed coming on this little adventure with, say, all of us really. So if you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.